What's really misleading about Window World's name is that it's Window World, but we were pleasantly surprised to find out that not only do they do windows, but they do doors, they do gutters, roofing, pretty much anything on the exterior of the home, Window World could help you with. And it's just really great to be able to work with one company for all those needs.
As an interior designer and our work in general, we love to tell stories, and so your exterior and your interior need to match and reflect your true personalities. Your home's your sanctuary, and it needs to show that. So now that we have this as our front door, we really have a huge statement, and it speaks loudly of us, and it speaks proudly of what we've invested into this home.
It's just really great to work with not only a local company, but a company that treated our home just like it was their own.